Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready? Make sure you're signed into the exact Google account that held the images and that the Photos app is updated. Once done, open Google Photos on your phone or Photos. Google, com in a browser. This ensures you access the correct trash and backup records. If backup and sync was on, deleted items go to trash for 60 days. If it was off, local device backups may be your only copy. Now tap the library or menu to go straight to trash, so you can begin restoring. You'll find deleted files in trash for up to 60 days. Open trash and scan thumbnails. Tap and hold each photo or use multi-select to pick everything you want back. Then press Restore. Google returns items to your Photos library and original albums. If an image was only on a device and not backed up, trash won't have it. In that case, check your device's local recycle bin or an external SD backup. Make sure to monitor progress and confirm restored items reappear in Recent. Once restored, verify the photos appear in albums and on your device. Make sure backup and sync is active so future deletes are protected. If items aren't in trash and it's been over 60 days, recovery via Google Photos is unlikely. In that case, check Google Drive backups, local device backups, or any third-party cloud you used. If you hit problems, sign out and back in, update the app, and only then contact Google support. They can help with account issues, but not guarantee older deleted media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.